How to fix Facebook unexpected error problem on your Facebook. Today guys, I'm gonna show you how to fix this problem. Just watch this video until the end. So let's start. First, you will just open settings, and when you open settings, you will go directly to apps or application. Then you will scroll down and you will go directly to Facebook. And on Facebook, what you should do right now, just you will go to storage, and on storage you will go to clear data, and then you will click OK, and that's it. Now your problem will fix it. So that's it. I hope this video is useful for you. Don't forget to like, also to subscribe in our channel, and see you in another videos.